Throughout history, human populations have adapted biologically and culturally to diverse environments around the world. These adaptations in skin melanin levels and hair texture are prime examples of how evolution has shaped human diversity in response to varying climates, sun exposure, and environmental pressures. Understanding these adaptations not only sheds light on our biological diversity, but also underscores the complex interplay between genetics, environment, and cultural practices. In regions with high sun exposure, such as near the equator or in open savannas, populations have evolved with higher levels of melanin in their skin. This adaptation is crucial in areas like sub-Saharan Africa, where intense sunlight is prevalent. Melanin acts as a natural sunscreen, protecting against some harmful UV rays and reducing the risk of skin damage and skin cancers. Conversely, in regions with less sun exposure, such as higher latitudes with more cloud cover or colder climates, populations evolved lighter skin tones. This adaptation facilitates better absorption of sunlight for vitamin D synthesis, essential for bone health and immune function. Examples include populations in Northern Europe, where winters are long and sunlight exposure is limited, necessitating efficient vitamin D production. Hair texture varies significantly with climate. In hot and humid tropical regions, such as certain parts of Africa, coiled or curly hair is common. This texture provides better insulation and aids in regulating body temperature by trapping air close to the scalp. It also helps disperse sweat, preventing overheating in high humidity. In colder climates, such as Northern Europe and parts of North America, straight hair is prevalent. Straight hair lies flat, retaining heat closer to the scalp and offering better protection against cold temperatures. These adaptations are observable in indigenous populations across the world, reflecting local climates. Over generations, populations in specific geographic regions have developed these adaptations through natural selection. Those with traits best suited for their environment were more likely to survive and pass on their genes. For instance, the Inuit populations in the Arctic have adapted to the extreme cold with broader facial features and stout bodies, which conserve heat. Similarly, the tall, slender build of the pastoralist populations in East Africa aids in dissipating heat more effectively in hot climates. Climate change and globalization are likely to influence future adaptations in hair and skin characteristics. As global temperatures rise, certain regions may experience more extreme weather patterns, affecting traditional environmental pressures on human populations. This could lead to shifts in melanin levels and hair texture adaptations over time. For instance, populations in currently temperate regions may face increasing UV exposure due to climate-induced changes in atmospheric conditions. This could potentially drive adaptations toward darker skin tones in previously lighter-skinned populations. Globalization and cultural exchange may also impact genetic diversity and traits related to hair texture and skin tone. Increased migration and intermingling of populations could lead to new genetic combinations and variations, including the prevalence of specific traits in different regions. Advances in genetic research and understanding evolutionary biology will be crucial in studying and predicting these potential changes in human adaptations. Understanding the complex relationship between genetics, environment, and culture provides valuable insights into human diversity and adaptation. As we continue to navigate global challenges such as climate change and cultural exchange, these insights will be instrumental in fostering health equity, preserving cultural diversity, and promoting mutual understanding among diverse populations worldwide. Thank you for exploring these fascinating aspects of human biology with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more enriching content about our world.